More Android users are backing up data to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and pCloud for convenience. In this video, we'll compare these platforms and guide you through backing up your phone data to the cloud. Part 1. How to back up Android phone to Dropbox. First step. Download and install Dropbox from Google Play. 2nd step. Open the app and sign in, or tap Sign up for Dropbox to create a new account. 3rd step. Open the Dropbox folder where you'd like to store your files. 4th step. Click on the plus button and select the Upload Files option. Part 2. How can I use OneDrive to back up Android files? Install and open OneDrive, then sign in, choose a folder, tap, and select Add Items. Pick an option. Tap OK. Select Files and tap Upload. Part 3. What to do if I want to upload Android data to Google Drive. Open Google Drive and log in. Tap the plus icon, then select Upload. Choose Files, tap Done to start the backup. Part 4. How to sync Android data to pCloud. Install pCloud, sign in or create an account. Enable automatic upload in settings for photos, videos, or files. Choose folders or file types to sync. Connect to Wi-Fi, start syncing, and monitor progress. Part 5. Can I sync Android files to iCloud? Switching to iPhone? Sync Android files to iCloud by moving them to Google, downloading to your computer, and then uploading to iCloud. Only contacts can be synced this way. For details, check how to sync Android to iCloud. Part 6. One click to back up files on Android to PC. You can back up Android files to your computer for free, as it offers more storage than cloud services. Mobikin Assistant for Android simplifies the process with one-click backup for various file types. Download the trial version below to start. First step. Launch the program on your computer, and you will get the following interface. Second step. Connect your Android phone to the computer via USB or Wi-Fi. Following the on-screen prompts, 3rd step. Once recognized, the device and files will appear. Select Super Toolkit from the top menu. 4th step. Then you can go on to choose Backup and tick off the folders that you want to backup. Finally, you can simply click on Backup to save your phone data.